Improving the water coming into your home can benefit you and your home greatly. An ion exchange water softener is a guaranteed way to remove limescale from any water-fed appliance, extending the lifespan as well as reducing the products and time needed to keep them looking spick and span. There are a range of softeners available to suit any size of household or space available, and they aren't limited to being installed under the kitchen sink and could go in a garage, cupboard, or insulated external box instead. A carbon-based or reverse osmosis drinking water filter system will remove various impurities from the drinking water, improving the taste. With a range of options to pick from, this can be tailored to your preference and budget. The starting point with drinking water filters is an inline filter system to remove chlorine, as this is what is most find unpalatable. However, further improvements can be made by removing impurities such as lead, limescale, and more. A reverse osmosis system will remove everything, with the option to add back beneficial minerals too. It's possible to install both a water softener and drinking water filter retroactively, which makes both an essential part of any project, whether it is a home improvement or new build.